Okay, so we've got the line into the car, and just behind the front left wheel, passenger side for Australian and English, and driver's side for Europe and American. There's the repaired hose into the coupling there, and the original piece of insulation foam I put over one of those two eye clamps. I'll just apologise about the poor lighting. I forgot to bring my work light out of the work car, and I can't access that side of the vehicle due to the narrow garages. So bear with me here. I fed the line through. Bit of an ordeal. You can see that hydraulic fitting up in there. I made the mistake of putting the replacement hydraulic line below the other lines, so I had to manhandle that through. And then I saw that I've got a roll of this one-sided sticky insulation material, so just through here where you come down from in between the fuel tank or boot or whatever it is up there, and down along here, these two lines were touching, so I put that in there. I'm not going to bother cable tying it or anything because it's wedged between the two lines, and then the covers go over it. It's not going to go anywhere. And then naturally clipped all these guys back in. That goes down towards the back, keeping in mind this is a mid-engine 987. Connected both couplings together, and they're still a little wet because I just gave them a spray with brake cleaner, so I'll let that dry. As you can see, the back of the car and the covers was getting covered in power steering oil. It was just working its way down the underbody trays. Alright, so I'll leave it at that for now, and do another update shortly.